In this video, I'm going to show you a system that I've been using for years to get leads and to build a huge mailing list. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with that mailing list. And I'm going to show you how I can set you up in a similar system. I'll completely set you up in it. Now, before I go on, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's check this out. This is one of my sites, thefreeadforum.com. It's a free advertising site. Basically, people come here, they place their free ads. Everybody wants to place free ads. It's very easy to promote this site. I've got 30 of such sites because all you're doing is asking people to come to your site and place a free ad. How easy is that? You're not even asking them to buy anything. So they come to the site, they place the free ad. But guess what? They also agree to join my newsletter at the same time. And on these sites, you could download all the leads. I've set up a special script where you could go and download all the leads for the last 14 days. And these are confirmed, opted leads of people who've come to your website, if this is indeed your website, and joined. So you can contact them about your offers. I'm going to show that to you here really quick. This is it. So on every single site, I have a URL that you could go to on that site where you could just come here and click to download all the latest leads. I'm going to click here and a file is going to be downloaded. Here's the file. It says the users for the last 7 days, but actually I set it for the last 14 days. I click here and open it. Okay, and it's going to open it up and you're going to see all these leads here. And these are the people who've posted ads on my site and agreed to receive offers and also have confirmed their email. It's very important. So they're all valid emails. They're all people who are looking for advertising services, business opportunities. That's who this list is ideal for. So here's the list of people who've come to the site over the last few weeks, and they've got their name, their email, everything here. Okay, and now I can send them an email. What I do is I upload them to my autoresponder system, and I send them another confirmation email asking them, hey, would you like to subscribe to my newsletter? This makes it really safe because they've already double confirmed, and then I'm asking them to confirm again because I only want people who are interested in what I have to offer. Okay, so here's a new list that I started. I'm using Sendy, autoresponder software, self-hosted autoresponder software. Now, I'm going to have another recommendation for you because this requires a little bit of technical ability, though it's totally doable, obviously. Anyways, I started a new list here. Again, like I said, I only want people who are seriously interested in what I have to offer. So what I did is I took those leads and I reconfirmed them. So every single one of these 675 people, again, I just started a new list here. I have well over 100,000 people in my different lists, but I started a new one here. And so these are very good leads because these people have all confirmed twice that they want to receive my information. And I put them in my autoresponder series. I first asked them if they want to be in my autoresponder series. Then I come down here and you can see this new list I have here. And you can see the unique opens, 30% on this. And it goes on. And people are receiving the follow-up messages about what I'm offering. And you could do the same thing. And this has been a very effective method. I don't spend a lot of money on advertising. It's called reverse advertising. I advertise my website, which is super easy to advertise. I've got a whole tutorial on how to do it. And I guarantee you, if you do that, you're going to get people to your classified ad website. And then I start sending them. I put these follow-up messages here. You can use ChatGPT to write your follow-up messages. And here you go. And you're getting leads and you get sales. That's a great funnel and a great way for next to nothing to start getting more leads and developing a list because the money is in the list. Now, if you want to learn how to do this, or actually how I can set this up for you, comment leads in the comments area and I'll send you the direct link to the site where you can get your own classified ad site set up for you. And we slam that site with traffic. We put it in our list of sites that we submit to classifiedsubmissions.com. So you will be sent internet buyers, people who buy online directly to your website, and you can make offers to them by reconfirming them into your list like I'm doing here. Now, I suggest instead of Sendy, Sendy's good, I suggest System. I just think it's the best deal. Here are the packages with System, all the way from the free version all the way up to unlimited emails at $97 per month. I was paying like $300 a month with AWeber, so and they limited me on the number of emails. So this is a great deal. I'm going to do another video more in detail on why this is such a good deal. They offer a lot more than just email marketing, but if I was going to start over with a new system, I would go to System. I've tried most of them, and I think this is really the best for advanced and for beginners, people just starting out. They have a very generous free program as well. So check that out. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to go ahead and check out getting this lead system, a comment leads below, and I will send you the direct link where you can learn more about this, and I can set you up with your own lead generating website. It has been working for me for years. And again, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you know anyone who you think would benefit from this video, please forward this video to them. Thank you so much.